Hey everyone, I'm David Finz, and this is a special edition of the Cyber Insurance Imperative. I'm here today to talk about the conviction of Joe Sullivan, the former chief security officer at Uber. One of the things that's worth noting about this conviction is that federal prosecutors decided to go after Mr. Sullivan on the charge of misprison of a felony. Put into plain English, this is failing to report that a felony has taken place to the authorities. Now, why did they go about this? This is because of his attempts to conceal what was going on, right? I mean, essentially paying a bribe to ensure that the breach would be swept under the rug, which of course ultimately it was not. Now, I think this sends a clear message to companies, particularly to technology companies, to be aware of the fact that federal enforcement is watching them, right? The fact of the matter is, especially in a state like California that's so heavily regulated around data privacy, right? You're going to see here that the need to be transparent around your security, and for that matter, the failure of your security, is paramount. And people should understand that businesses cannot look to insurance to cover this sort of event. There's no insurance out there that is intended to cover the willful concealment, of criminal activity. Yes, a company would be entitled to a defense up to a final adverse adjudication, particularly maybe even a non-appealable adjudication. But criminal misconduct itself is excluded under both the cyber and a directors and officers liability policy. One of the things that's unique about a cyber policy is that it covers the actions of rogue employees, but not rogue executives. An inadvertent error, simple negligence is one thing. But what you have here is that in his attempt to preserve his own livelihood, the chief security officer essentially attempted to cover up what had taken place. And that was his ultimate undoing. Underwriters of cyber insurance are providing coverage to safeguard a company's network and data, but directors and officers liability is really designed to protect those individuals. And those individuals are presumed by both types of underwriters to be conducting themselves in an honorable fashion. So sweeping this sort of conduct under the rug is never a good idea. Here at Alliant, we help our clients prepare the underwriting submissions. We are mindful of the fact that the attestations that our clients make need to be true and correct to the best of their knowledge and their understanding at the time that they are made. You know, our reputation, as well as that of our clients, is on the line, and we will do everything we can to ensure that those representations remain truthful and that clients understand their obligations when a security incident has occurred in terms of being forthright and transparent with all of their stakeholders and with their underwriters. Here at Alliant, we are all about helping our clients find the more rewarding way to manage risk. Thanks for watching.